Hello family, welcome back to my kitchen and thank you for subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate your time watching my videos, your comments, your likes, and everything that you guys are doing for me. Thank you so much, and I hope you guys are trying my recipes, okay? The rock band, the ice cream, and the other ones. Please try, okay? So today I am making shortbread, and these are the ingredients that I use in preparing my margarine, my sugar powder, cornstarch, vanilla flavor, having my flour, and the Nido. Okay, so these are the ingredients that I use in making my sweet shortbread. Okay, we can get all these things in novels or soup. Okay, you get them there. And don't go anywhere, we are about to start. Let's start making our sweet shortbread. So this is my clean bowl that I'll be using, and in the bowl I'll be putting 250 grams of margarine. Feel free to use butter if you have, okay? And I'll stir till they are soft. Please try this recipe and you will enjoy, okay? So you have to make sure that the margarine or the butter that you are using is not in the fridge, okay? You can remove it from the fridge overnight so that it will be soft for you when mixing. You now do this one for about 2 minutes. Make sure everything is smooth. So I'll be using half cup of sugar powder. You can use more if you like sugar like me, okay? So I'm measuring 1 cup of sugar powder, and I'll be mixing it with the margarine, okay, till they are smooth. I'll be using 4 cups of flour to make this shortbread, okay? And it's very necessary for you to strain or sieve your flour. This will help the final product to become very smooth, okay? And also help to remove any unwanted particles, okay? So kindly try this method and thank me later, okay? Continue to mix till they are all uniform, right? And I'll be using my fingers to mix them, okay? You can feel free to use your fingers, or if you are not comfortable, you can use any spatula or whisker of your choice, okay? And I'll be mixing it till I get the desired dough that I want, okay? So you just have to use your hands, okay? I'll be adding half cup of cornstarch to mix with my dough, and I'll also add my powdered milk or Nido to it. But with the Nido, I'll add 2 cup, so 1 cup of Nido, okay? And this noodle will make it very rich, okay? Yeah, so I will mix with my fingers till I get the smooth dough, okay? And I can't wait for this shortbread to be ready, okay? Please try. Don't take this recipe for granted. Try and make your own shortbread, okay? and I'll be sprinkle some water on it. That will help me mold the dough. Okay, or if you have milk too, you can sprinkle as well. And I'll be kneading the dough for about 2 minutes for every ingredient to combine very well in my dough. Okay, I can't wait for this shortbread to be ready. You can try making your own shortbread as well. The way it's very fluffy. Okay. It's very, very rich because of the milk powder that I added. Very, very rich. So at this moment, we are about to roll it into the size of our choice. Okay. And I've already preheated my oven. Okay, on 250 degrees Celsius. Okay. At this juncture, we are done kneading our dough, and as you can see, I have placed my dough on my baking paper. Okay, and I'll be putting another paper on the dough to roll it. This will make the dough very, very smooth. Okay, please use the step-by-step method. Okay, I will put another paper on it and then roll it to the size of my choice. Okay, this will help me get the smooth surface, and please do it gently. Okay, I am done rolling my dough, and I'll be cutting it into the size that I want, of which I will use fork to make some design on my shortbread. Okay, I have already preheated my oven, and soon our shortbread will be ready. Okay, will be in the oven for about 25 minutes and it will be done. Okay, so I'll be cutting it into the shape that I want, and I'll be using my fork to put some designs on top of my shortbread, and I'll be baking it like this for about 25 minutes. It'll be ready. After the 25 minutes of baking, my shortbread is ready now to be consumed by myself. It's very, very nice, very tasty and sweet, very, very delicious. Please try this method of making your own shortbread at home. It's not difficult to make. Follow the step that I use to make my shortbread. Okay, please try making your pastries and food using my recipe. Okay, I am very much grateful to you all, and thank you for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos. Please click on the notification button so that if I upload any video, you'll be the first to be notified. All right, thank you very much, and see you next time with another video. Thank you. Bye.